It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. Mamelodi Sundowns responding to Orlando Pirates at the top of the table. It means there are only 3 points between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns at the beginning of the season. 6 matches each, 6 out of 6 for Orlando Pirates and 5 out of 6 for Mamelodi Sundowns. A great comeback, a great bounce back from the Polokwane City game. There was only one winner in the Cape Town City game against Mamelodi Sundowns. The team that won was the team that deserved to win. Mamelodi Sundowns, a Cape Town City. Bobo, ubone lo mdlalo. What did you make of him, sir?
Nkululeko kunjani mfethu?
Yes sir,
Yeah,
yes sir.
Ngibulisa amachita bafethu ne grand.
Yes sir.
Nkululeko ngithanda ukubongisa ucoach Manqoba Mncidi today ne technical team yakhe. Ubonisile ukuthi bekuyi wake up call. Ngishizo last week ngathi mhlawumbe it's a wake up call igame yePolokwane City. Abantu abaningi beba expect ukuthi mhlawumbe igame namhlanje izabanzima for iSundowns.
Me too. I expected it to be difficult.
Yes, but the approach engibona afike ngayo ucoach Manqoba akazange abeka abadlali mhlawumbe athi babekela amanye amagame azoza. I think ubonile ukuthi you must take one game at a time. Abalekile lama game afana nalawa. 3 point ibaleke kakhulu. Ku Betway esikhathini samanje. So I think the way ezengakhona bheka lineup yakhe namhlanje ulethe ama national team player awungayi wonke awu4. Mankhuluma nge-back 4 yakhe including uRonza i-back 5 kahle.
Yeah, actually
so,
all of the back 5.
Yes, walethu Obas ukhona kuma preliminary manje
and he was there in the last game as well.
Yes, so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyabona ukuthi bakhona abadlali ababalekile kulama game because namhlanje uObas bekayigadile imali Sundowns anikeza umdlalo ofana noAlende noBilly i-rule yokuthi badlale yilento beyayenza because uyambona uze nge4-3-3 but udrop umdlalo ofana nobani noObas ukuthi akalindela then uAlende nobani noBilly kube yibo aba attacker. So uyangichaza because if umdlalo ofana noOpre sometimes uya overlap or ukhatha in then baya shift center back ethi ya shifter as usually uyabuya umdlalo uzo drop umdlalo ofana noObas. Sometimes uma ngabe sine build up uyabuya uObas uyabuya umdlalo ofana noAlende sizo collect. Ushalulile sometimes uyayibalekela idefense abuye kuphi kule space lesivula bobani sivula labadlali abafana nabo Lucas uma beza bazo collect. So I think iSundowns idlale kahle today. Angibonanga kunobunzima kangaka.
Yeah, no, it was a difficult game.
Yeah,
which was very strange. We thought it was going to be tough because that was the team Ekshayile last season to break that record of unbeaten. But I mean, there was only one winner here. You could see the first half and you'd be like, I know which team is going to win.
Yeah, so ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibona abadlali bafana nabo Mtawu njengoba ngisho basinikeza something ku final third. Umsebenzi ukuthi uoverlap kumele ukuthi egcineni usinikeze into right. Unga overlap bese uma uceda usinikeze lento esiyidingayo. So kufana nokuthi siyasebenzisa le space but asazi ukuthi kumele senzeni masifika. So congratulations to umdlalo ofana naye iassist ayishayile. Bheka the technique umdlalo ofana noLucas. uLucas is star ngihlala ngisho ngithi uLucas is a star. Basinikeza space in the middle of the park. That is why uMakaringa amdonsele ngaphandle umdlalo ofana noEric Tintla because you give iSundowns space. Sundowns mayinikeza space angifuni ukutshela manga Nkululeko uzoba ne problem because ispace ilento esifunayo and the more siba usinikeza space sizo create lawo ma pockets ila sizokhona ukudlala khona. So ngiyayibongisa iSundowns le 3 point baleka kakhulu. That is why ngisho ukuthi kusazoba nzima kule season.
Were you relieved because I mean Pirates had a 6-point gap? You had to close that gap. I know it's still early, but our job is to create this narrative, Tina, because we are in the entertainment business. This is entertainment business. We are selling football videos. Were you kind of worried that gap no one is going to? Well, I knew that you were always going to close it, but if you didn't close it today, it was going to be 6 points. Yeah,
that is why ngisho ngithi iSundowns mayivala le gap. I wish namaqembu afana nabo Kaizer Chiefs babuye bazojoina kube nalento nje lekhona lapha but asazi ukuthi bona bazofika yini lapha kule number 1 and number 2 at least sizofika sibona ukuthi masilapha singama team agroad like Chiefs, Pirates, iSundowns kuba njani, you understand. So Nkululeko njengoba ngisho ngithi mina ngibona uEric Tintla today udrop abadlali abaningi umkhizi umdropile. I don't know ukuthi bekafuna ukuza ngama surprise or kanjani abo Jalen Rooks uba dropile angazi ukuthi inkinga yakhe yini because ngibona ubaletha ngama sub kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe bekazitshele mhlawumbe ukuthi hayi ile Sundowns ebuye ePolokwane ngalabadlali mhlawumbe.
And Jaden Rose as well was the player that scored in that game you lost the single game. Let's talk about Peter Shalulile. He keeps on breaking records. He's been poor in terms of goal scoring form. We know his overall game is not not that good. But the one thing Bega rely on Kora today, important goals for Sundowns.
I'm happy for Ushasha ukuthi akore namhlanje. So into engayisho ngoShasha, Ushasha is a finisher kuleyo. Ushasha kusumuntu ukuthi kumele involve kuma play because uyazi ukuthi Ushasha kusumuntu ukuthi angafuna ukureceive akana skill ukuthi mhlawumbe uzodribble enzeni. So lesi sniper lesi mnikeze chance uzokorela Ushasha. Uma ungabheka goal number 1, bheka goal number 2. Khona la yena just is a finisher. So it's good.
But I like the first goal actually because the way he received it. First touch him set it up and I thought even when he decided to take a shot, he's gonna take one more touch just to get closer to Darren Kate as well. But he decided to take a shot from range. That was a beautiful goal.
First touch baleka kakhulu Nkuleko. If uzoshaya first touch kuzoba nzima for wena sometimes ukuthi ucontrol ibhola lakho. So Ushasha lapha wenze kahle nge-first touch yakhe then wabona ukuthi okay into engathi nayo Darren Kit man mamanye amagoli bheka lamagoli adlula la ezandleni wonke. You understand? Okunye kumele sikhuluma. I'm not saying anginikeze credit kulabadlali mina. No, they did very well ukuthi bakore lamagoli la but nayo uDarren Kit I mean angibona ngathi no man i-age iyamphisa manje. I think Cape Town City iyadinga ukuthi ithole ugoalkeeper angicabangi man ukuthi angasavimba mhlambe kule season ezayo hayi angiboni because bheka lamabhola but ngathi uhluleka naloko organizer lapha emuva because angicabangi ukuthi Nkuleko iSundowns njengoba ngisho ngithi iSundowns iba ingozi uma ifika ku final third ufuna ukuthi idlale ibhola njengamanje le Sundowns yamanje ungayinikeza leso space iyasebenzisa you understand so kuyabonisa ukuthi okay yena uyahluleka uma uhluleka ukudila ngalento lo Darren Kit i-defense yakho uzoba ne-problem bazokushaya khona la and egcineni uzoconsider amagoli amaningi you understand so angazi mhlawumbe game plan yakhe ucoach Eric Tintla sazi ukuthi mhlawumbe bekasitsheleni but
otherwise good 3 points for Sundowns especially going to the Chiefs game this weekend.
Yeah, ibaleke kakhulu but utshelile ngathi one game at a time kulelo. So now we can start
focusing on the Chiefs game.
Yeah, sibheke ukuthi sidlala nobani igame ezayo then sibone ukuthi kwenzakala.
You must pretend you don't know.
No. Mina ngifuna ukutshela manga Nkuleko. Yazi nanoma uma udlala ibhola kumelanga ukuthi uqabange ngegame i-third game or the second last or in cabanga ngegame obhekane nayo manje uqede ngayo uma uqeda then ngikhana uzofuna kwazi ukuthi okay ithi ngiye kule game ekudlala iChiefs neMagesi ngibone ukuthi okay ngifuna ukubona ukuthi badlale kanjani iChiefs idlala kanjani kwenza you understand so I think siyalapha
feeling confident of course
siyalapha sine confident and izoba mnandi le game for mina izoba mnandi abomzala phela iyo trophy bengisho ngithi mhlambe bangalithola but unfortunately babanikeze nabanye abantu man ingcese man ngese kubo Jackson
it's the end of the road
end of the road angifuna ukutshela ma angeke sibayeke bona phela iyasibanikeza igame because le vibe abasinikeza yona le attendance abanayo but kunini shy Chiefs yagcina ukuthi Sundowns nge 2-1 whereby kwakoro Serino kithi early kwaza abozuma bazoshaya 2 goal I think nge 3 minutes yila bagcina khona ukuthi Sundowns but kudala labantu sibabethela so expect Sundowns ukuthi iwine le game sahambe siyodlala ama semi final we Kali.
There you go. Thank you very much to Bobo. Thank you very much to everyone as well for watching the videos. It is iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.